Okay, good morning students. Welcome back to our class. Now we will see some more problems in this exercise. Okay, see this one. Write the following integers in ascending order. We have to write the following integers in ascending order. Okay, here they have given 14, minus 7, minus 13, 0, 6, minus 2, 30. Okay, ascending order means first we have to start from the smaller number. That is, what is smaller number here? That we have to see. After that, the next bigger one. That too, in that way you have to go to the bigger number. Okay, from small to bigger. Okay, this is your ascending order, right? So while writing ascending order, first concentrate on negative numbers. Why? If you see this number line 0, 1, 2, 3, these are positive numbers, these are negative numbers, right? And so on and so on. What we have learned here? Always negative numbers are smaller than 0 as well as these positive numbers. So always even your positive numbers are smaller ones. In that negative numbers also, the bigger numbers with the negative sign are smaller than the other numbers. Okay, that means if one is a smaller one, right? One is smaller one, right? But this before this one here we have minus here. So this is bigger than remaining left side of this negative numbers. Okay. So first you have to understand that one. First you have to check negative numbers, which is smaller one. So we are writing in ascending order. So first we have to start with the smaller one. So here what are negative numbers here? Minus 7, minus 13, minus 2. These three are negative numbers. Now see this one. In these negative numbers also, bigger number with the negative 7. That is your smaller one. What is bigger number here? 13. So with the negative sign. Bigger number with the negative sign. That is your smaller number. So first write down that one. Okay. Next one. Next bigger number with the negative sign. So bigger number with the negative sign is the smaller than the before numbers. Okay. That is smaller numbers with the negative sign. See, next we have to write minus 7. Next minus here, minus 2. So write minus 2. If you observe here, this one minus 4, minus 5, minus 7 you get here. This is minus 8, minus 9 and here 13, right? Minus 13, minus 11. Minus 12 and minus 13 here you get, right? So this is far from these numbers, right? So this is smaller one. Next one, here we have minus 7. So next one minus 2. Next we will get, we have 0 here. So write that 0. After that we have to go for positive numbers. Here positive numbers start with 6. After that here we have 14. Next 30. So like that 4, 5, 6 like that will go na. Right. So you have to opt positive numbers as usual. You know how to write in ascending order. Understood? So next after this minus 2, you have to write this 0. Why? Because we have 0 here. Next after 0 start writing positive numbers. Small positive number. Which one? This is a positive number and this is positive number. This is positive number. In these positive numbers, smaller one first. 6. Next one 14. After that last one, that is your bigger number. So this is your ascending order of numbers for the given numbers. Okay. So like that we have to write. Next see this one. Write the following integers in descending order. Here also we have some numbers but here we have to write in descending order. That means big to small. Okay. First we have to write bigger number. As usual, we have learned positive numbers are bigger than 0 and negative numbers. So here we have to choose positive numbers first, bigger one. Here, from this you have to start writing. These are bigger numbers. After that smaller numbers. Next smaller one, next smaller one. Like that 0. After 0 you have to start writing negative numbers. Negative numbers also small number with the negative sign. That is the first. After that, that is your first bigger number. Next, like that you have to go write towards this side you will get these smaller numbers. Okay, so in this direction you have to write. Ascending order means you have to write in this direction. Okay, so if you write like this, this is your descending order. Okay, descending order. Always remember this one. Ascending order means you have to start from the negative number to positive number. Okay, descending order means from positive to, you have to write towards next negative side. Okay, negative numbers. So here, what is this one we are writing? Descending order. Descending order means big number to smaller number. Big number means you have to choose first positive numbers. So this is positive number. 0 is not positive number, not negative number. So here, what is the bigger positive number among these 8 and 14? So 14. After that, write 8. After that, non-positive, non-negative number 0. After that, you have to write these negative numbers. Which one here? This one is a negative number, minus 21. Here you have minus 7. Here among these three numbers, which one you will get first here? In this direction. First you will get here minus 7. After that, maybe 13, next 14, 15. Here you will get minus 16. In this side, if you go minus 21, you will find here, right? So like that, first you will get here in this direction. While writing descending order, you will get here minus 7. Minus 7 is here we have. So minus 7. After that you will get, in this direction you will get, first you will get minus 16 here. So minus 16. After that the remaining one, 21. This is your descending order. Always remember this one. While writing in ascending order, you have to start with the negative numbers first. Among the negative numbers also, you have to choose the smaller one first. After that, next bigger one. After that, after completing writing these negative numbers, you have to write 0. If you have 0 in this number, in these given numbers, you have to write 0. Otherwise, go for the positive numbers. If 0 is not there, directly go for the positive numbers. After that, write positive numbers. So while coming to this descending order, you have to write first positive numbers. Towards this side you are coming. So write first positive numbers. After that, if they have given 0, mention that 0. After that, write negative numbers. Okay. So this is here your answer, descending order. Write down this one, descending order. Equal to this one, 14. 8, 0, minus 7, minus 16, minus 21, like that. Okay, here also write down this one, ascending order is equal to, here what they have given, minus 13, minus 7, minus 2, 0, and 6, 14, and last one is 13. So this is for explanation purpose I have written here. So leave this one. Okay, this is your answer. See, this one represent the following on the number line. So here, whatever they have given, that numbers we have to represent on number line. What is our number line here? See, number line like this you have to draw. In the middle, write 0. Towards right side, write positive numbers, and so on. This line will go till there is no end. That means there infinitive numbers we have. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and so on towards this left hand side. Okay. So what is our answer? What is your question is? We have to represent the given numbers using this number line. Number line we have written here. Now what to do? All integers from minus 5 to 3 we have to plot these numbers. Minus 5 to 3 we have to plot in this number line. Where is minus 5 here? Here we have minus 5. So minus 5. All integers from minus 5 to 3. Minus 5 to, where is 3? Here we have this 3. So here you have 3. Here you have minus 5. Right, minus 5 to minus 3 is this one, this number, this number, this number, this number, this one, this one. So these are all the numbers are from minus 5 to 3. Okay, minus 5 to 3. So this is the representation of integers from on the number line. How many numbers are there here? Minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So from minus 5 to 3. These are the numbers we are plotting here. Okay. So these are the numbers here. Like that we have to mention on number line. See this one here also. So I am taking number line again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on. Okay, see this one here. What is our question here? All negative numbers greater than minus 6. All the negative numbers greater than minus 6. Greater than minus 6. Where is minus 6 here? Here we have minus 6. Right. Here you have minus 6 here. This is our minus 6. We have to mention negative numbers only. That means here minus 1 to before the minus 6 we have minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. These are the negative numbers. Only you have to mention negative numbers, that too greater than minus 6. So where you will get greater than numbers? So towards right hand side. If you go towards right hand side, you will get all greater numbers. So here our number is minus 6. Here we have minus 6. So greater than minus 6 means minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. So this is the minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. These numbers also greater than minus 6. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, these are positive numbers also greater than minus 6. But what is our question here? All negative integers only. Only we have to mention negative integers. Negative integers stops with minus 1. So we have to mention these numbers only. These are the negative numbers that are greater than minus 6. How many numbers here we got? Minus 6 greater than minus 6. So no need to mention this 6, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. These are the numbers greater than minus 6. We have plotted here. Understood this one? Like that you have to mention on number line. Okay? Okay. Note down this one. Okay. The previous exercise we learned how to write in ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means smallest one to biggest one. Okay. Descending order means the greatest one, that is biggest one to smallest one. Okay. Now see, we will do additions and subtractions. Okay. Addition and subtractions using integers. So see this one first. Find the sum. First one is 16 plus 21. Here no need to worry. Those are both numbers are positive numbers only. 16 plus 21. Okay. So directly I am doing here. First one 6 plus 1 7. After that second one 2 plus 1 3. Okay. Directly I am doing here. See. So while I have explained in the previous class. So plus into minus, minus into plus, also minus into minus, plus into plus also, plus only. Remember these four things. Okay. So bracket means always into. So plus into minus. What is here? Plus into minus? Minus. So minus 21. Here we have to subtract the 61 from minus 21. So while doing these sums, first we have to check the bigger number. What is the sign before that one? That we have to see first. Here we have minus. The bigger number is 21. Before that one we have minus. So your answer will be in negatives only. So place minus here. 21 minus 16. What is 21 minus 16? See this one. 11 minus 6, 5. Right, 1, 1, 0. Okay. So you get here 5. So that is your answer. So here we have bigger number minus, this plus 1, this is plus. So while doing these type of problems, first you have to check the bigger number. What is the sign of that bigger number? So from that one you have to subtract this one, 16. Okay. So you will get here 5. Okay. See this one, here you have, your answer is minus 5. Now see here. I am using same numbers here. Here minus 16. We have minus 16. Then the next one is plus 21. What we have to do here? What is a bigger number here? Here also 21. What is the sign that one? Plus. Here you will get plus your answer. See 21 as usual, 16. This plus, this minus. Same thing I am doing here. Okay. 11, see 11 minus 6, 5. Here 1, 1, 0. Here also you get 5 only. But here you are getting minus 5. Here you are getting plus 5. Why? Because before bigger number, okay, here in this, before this one you have plus here. Here you have minus. Okay. Always you will get bigger number sign in the answer. Whatever the bigger number, whatever the sign, the bigger number have na, that sign you will get here. Here you have minus, you are getting answer minus. So here you have plus. So you are getting answer in positive numbers. Okay, that is plus. Now see this one, minus 25, minus 18. Here you have bracket, right? Bracket means always into. So plus into minus. First I am writing this one as it is. Now I am checking this one. Plus into minus. Always minus. Minus 8. So now see. So both are minus only. So both are minus. We can take minus. Or otherwise bigger number sign also minus. Otherwise I am taking minus as common. See this one. So this will become plus here. Here also minus I am taking. So plus as usual. Okay. How it means? See, if you are, again I am applying this. The bracket means what? I told you na, multiplication. So here plus. Plus into minus, minus only. Again you will get minus 25. Minus into plus, minus only. Again you are getting the same only. Right? So instead of doing this one, I can also take minus as common. So minus common I am taking here. I am doing addition. 5 plus 8, 13. So 1, 1, 1, 4, 43. Okay. So like that we have to do calculations. Okay. So if you have both pluses, directly you can add them. If you have one number as minus, check that one whether minus number is the bigger number or not. If it is bigger number, take that sign. Bigger numbers sign you can take. You have to take while writing answer. So here also I am taking bigger number sign plus. Here I have plus. So I am taking plus here. Okay. Like that. Here we have both are minuses. Okay. So both minuses means obviously we can write minus only. So instead of saying like this, we can also see like that. Like this. See, bigger number sign is minus. So I am taking minus here. Like that also you can understand. So both pluses means you can add. Both minuses also, if you have, you can, that time also you can add. But you have to write sign as minus. See, find the difference. Next one. So first number is 15. Without brackets I am writing. So here minus. So here nothing means always plus. Minus into plus minus. So I am removing these brackets. So what is 15 is in both these numbers. Which is bigger one? 21 is bigger one. What is the sign here? Minus. Before 21 we have minus. So 21 minus 5. What is that one? 21 minus 5? 6. What is the difference here? 6. So I am writing. Okay. So now see this one without brackets I am writing here. So here bracket means bracket minus 21 means before means nothing means plus. Plus into minus minus 21. Here I have minus, here I have plus. Nothing means plus. So minus. Both minus what I said? Bigger number sign minus. Otherwise see like this. Both are minuses. So we can take minus as common and we can add. Instead of minus I can write plus in between them. So what is this one? 38. Again here I have plus. So I am applying this minus. Minus into plus minus. Minus 38. Okay. Like that you have to solve. Now see this one. 70 minus 8. So writing as usual I am writing 17. I am applying minus. I am removing these brackets. So we can multiply these signs. Minus into minus. Minus into minus. What is minus into minus? Plus 8. Okay. Minus into minus. So it will become plus. I am adding next number 8. 70 plus 8? 78. Now see this one. 24. Here also minus into minus. 24 first number I am writing as it is. After that I am multiplying this minus sign within the brackets. Minus into minus. It will become plus. And 24. So both the numbers are plus only. So I can take plus. I can take plus. Here sign 8, 4, 48. This is your answer. Now see subtract. First one minus 180 from 180. We have to subtract this minus 180 from 180. So what is this means? First number we have to subtract from the second one. Always understand this one directly. Here we have to subtract from the second number. So we have to write first the second number. 180 I am writing. Subtract minus 180 from 180. 180 I am writing here. We have to subtract from this one. So I have to subtract the first number. So I am writing minus. What is that number here? Minus 180. So within the brackets write down what we have to subtract. That we have to write within the brackets we have to write. So see this one. Apply minus here. Removing brackets. Minus into minus it will become plus. Plus 180. Okay. Now add these two. So both are plus only. So I am writing plus. While writing minus, both are minus. I am writing minus and adding these two. Here also I am doing the same thing. Plus I am taking, both are plus. So I am taking plus. After that I am adding 180 plus 180. 0, 0, 0. 8 plus 8. 16. 1, 3. 3, 16. Okay. Like that. See this one. So minus 630 from minus 70. From 70. From the second number means first we have to write the second number. What is the second number here? Minus 70. From this you have to subtract. So I am putting minus. What is the number that we have to subtract here? Minus 630. So minus 630. Clearly you have to write. First write down the second number. What we have to do? Addition or subtraction? Subtraction we are doing. So put minus. After that what is the given number first? That write within the brackets. Okay. So as usual minus 70. Now I am removing these brackets. That means I am applying sign here. Minus into minus plus. What is the number here? 630. 630. We have to subtract 630. 70 from 630. What is that one? 630, 70. So bigger number sign you will get in the answer. Okay. So bigger number sign is plus. So I am writing plus here. Now see the subtraction 0, 0. 13 minus 7, 6, 5, 560. Understood this one? Okay. Like that you have to solve all the problems. See this one. So we have to subtract the first number from the second one. What is the second number here? 0 we have 0. What is the operation we are doing here? Subtraction. Subtraction. What is the first number here? Minus 95. So within the brackets write down that one first. Minus 75. Now remove these brackets. 0. Minus into removing means applying sign. Minus into minus plus 95. If you add 0 to any number, you will get that number only. Okay, 95. What is the sign here? Plus. Plus. Need not to write. Okay. Now see this one. Minus 90 from minus 1. From which number we have to subtract? Minus 1. So write down that number first. What is the operation we are doing here? Subtraction. What is the first number here that we have to subtract here? Minus 90. So minus 90. Okay. Now remove these brackets. Removing brackets means applying sign. Minus into minus plus. Plus 90. Okay. Plus 90. 1 we have to subtract from plus 90. What is the bigger number here? 90. What is the sign before that one? Plus. 90 minus 1. 89. Okay. So that is your answer here. Okay. See the next problems. Note down this one. Number line to find the following subtractions or additions. Okay. See. First one 5 plus 4. What we have to use? Number line here. What is our number line? So 1, 2, 3. This is your number line. Minus 6. So what is our problem? 5 plus 4. So I explained in your previous class. First number we have to go for the first number first. We have to start always from 0. From 0 to we have to go first number. We have to go to first number. What is first number here? 5. So go to 5. 5. So what is this one? See here, always you have to start from 0. 0 to you have to go to the first number. What is our first number here? 5. Okay. Next, from 5 to go to the second number. What is that one? 4. We have to add plus 4 here. Okay. To this 5, I am adding 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the number here? 9. So this number is your answer. Okay. You have to do additions or subtractions like this. First you have to go to the first number. So from 0 to you have to start and you have to go to the first number. After that you have to add. Addition means always you have to go forward. That means you have to go right hand side. Addition. Which number we have to add here? 4. 4 we are adding means 4 steps we are moving towards right hand side. Okay. From 5 you have to move 4 numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps you have to move. Okay. What is that number here? 9. So directly you are getting your answer here. So 5 plus 4. From 5, here we have 5. After that 4, adding 4 steps we are going. What is the number you are getting here? 9. So 9 is your answer. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay. See the next one. Next thing also, write down this number line. So see this one. So another for this one I am taking number line. Here also what we have to do? We have to go for the first number. What is this one first number here? 4. Always we have to start from 0. 0 to 4. First number 4. So 1, 2, 3. So go for 4 first. After that plus means we are adding. So what is here? Apply this one. 4. Remove these brackets. Removing means applying sign. Plus into minus, minus 6. So little bit calculation you have to do first. Okay, 4 minus 6. Now what is the sign you are getting here? Minus. Minus means subtraction. Subtraction means you have to go back. Okay, you have to go towards left hand side. What is the number? 6. So you have to move 6 steps backward to the backward means left hand side. So what is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am moving 6 steps from 4 towards left hand side. Why? Because we have minus. So here what is the number? Minus 2. So your answer is 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. What is the number you are getting after moving towards left hand side by 6 steps? What is the number you are getting here? Minus 2. Okay, that is your answer. So now see this one. So 4 minus 6 equal to minus 2. You are getting here minus 2. Now see next one. Here also take one number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. And so on. Now see, always we have to start from 0. Where we have to go first? Minus 3. Where minus 3? Here. So minus 3. So in our problem we have here also brackets, right? So remove that brackets first. So first number as it is. After that applying my plus here. I am removing brackets means plus into minus, minus 5. Okay. So first we are moving towards minus 3 first number, 0 to minus 3. After that we have subtraction. Subtraction means you have to go back. That means left hand side you have to move. Which numbers, how many numbers you have to move? 5 numbers. From 3 to, you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here your number is minus 8. See this one. So from first we have started from 0. 0 to minus 3 we have come here. So we came from 0 to minus 3. First one. After that we are moving towards left hand side 5 steps. What is the number we have here? 5. So we have to move 5 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the number here? Minus 8. That is your answer. Minus 8. Okay. So after moving this side 5 steps, whatever the number you get now, that is your answer. Minus 8. Like that you have to do additions or subtractions using number line. Okay. Note down this one also.